If you knew that one simple phrase, one sentence delivered at exactly the right moment, could make her heart beat a little faster and stay in her memory for years, would you still rely on empty compliments like, "You're so beautiful," or "That's a lovely dress you're wearing"? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's topic, I'd like to ask you for a small favor. If this kind of content helps you gain a better understanding of female psychology, please support the channel by leaving a like and subscribing. It will only take a few seconds, and it helps more men discover this information. And I have another question for you. What city are you watching this video from? I always enjoy reading your comments and seeing where everyone is joining us from. That's what makes this community continue growing every single day. Most men don't realize just how much influence their words can have. Many assume attraction is based entirely on physical appearance, money, or social status. But the truth is much more complex. What really stays with someone is the way you make them feel. And here's something almost everyone fails to notice. One of the most powerful tools you have is a thoughtful compliment delivered with genuine sincerity. Think about that for a moment. Have you ever noticed how one simple sentence can completely change a woman's mood or attitude? A few words said at the right time, with the right intention, can change the way she sees you. And not necessarily for only a few minutes, but potentially for a very long time. In today's video, you're going to discover 8 compliments that go far beyond physical appearance. These aren't the ordinary lines every man repeats, and they aren't desperate forms of flattery that ultimately make you look less attractive. Instead, these are compliments with greater meaning, words capable of awakening genuine emotions and making her feel noticed, understood, valued, and appreciated on a much more personal level. And here's a reality that very few men are willing to accept. If you constantly give generic compliments like, "You look beautiful," "That's a nice outfit," or "You look amazing every time I see you," eventually you'll become just another man saying the same things as everyone else. Someone who is easily forgotten. But once you learn to be intentional with your words, understand the right moment, and communicate with purpose, you begin to discover something far more important. The real power isn't only in the words themselves. It's in the emotion those words create. So, if you want to separate yourself from the crowd, improve the way you communicate, and become the kind of man who leaves a genuine and lasting impression, stay with me until the end of this video. Compliment number 1, "That fragrance you're wearing is incredible." There's something about it that makes it impossible to forget. Our sense of smell is strongly connected to memory and emotion. A particular scent can take someone back to a specific moment or memory within seconds because smell is closely connected to the limbic system, the area of the brain involved in processing emotions. So when you compliment her fragrance, you're doing more than simply saying that she smells good. You're subtly communicating that something about her presence stays with you, even after she's no longer around. That message can carry a much stronger emotional effect than most people realize. Most men don't pay attention to details like this. The men who do tend to demonstrate greater awareness, presence, and genuine interest. Compliment number 2, "Your smile has the ability to light up an entire room." You're not simply telling her that she has a beautiful smile. The real point is to recognize the energy she gives off when she smiles. You're essentially telling her that her presence can change the atmosphere around her and make the moment feel better for everyone nearby. And that's what turns an ordinary compliment into something much more personal and meaningful. Compliment number 3, "I love how authentic you are." You never seem to feel the need to pretend to be someone you're not. We live in a world where so many people constantly feel pressure to impress others, fit in, or become someone they think people will approve of. That's exactly why recognizing a woman's authenticity can mean so much. With this compliment, you're not focusing on her physical appearance. You're showing her that you appreciate who she genuinely is, and that her real personality is actually one of the things you find most attractive about her. Compliment number 4. "I really like the way you see things. The way you think actually makes me look at things differently." At this point, you're completely moving away from physical appearance and connecting with her mind. You're demonstrating that you're interested in her perspective, her ideas, and the unique way she interprets the world around her. That can take an ordinary conversation and make it much deeper, creating a connection that feels far more authentic and personal. Compliment number 5, your energy is contagious. Being around you actually makes me want to become a better version of myself. This kind of recognition can have a powerful effect because you're not simply expressing admiration. You're also telling her that her presence has a positive influence on your own life. You're letting her know that you don't just enjoy spending time with her. Something about being around her inspires something positive within you. Compliment number 6, you're clearly a very thoughtful person. You always seem to notice and care about the people around you. Here, you're recognizing her character and the way she treats other people. It's not a superficial observation, and it's probably not something she hears from men on a regular basis. And precisely because it's less common, it can often create a much stronger and more meaningful impression. Compliment number 7, I really admire your discipline. When you decide you want something, it's obvious that you do everything you can to make it happen. This compliment recognizes something deeper, her effort, consistency, determination, and ability to follow through. When you acknowledge qualities connected to her character, ambitions, and goals, you're connecting with an important part of her identity. And that usually carries far more emotional weight than simply commenting on how she looks. Compliment number 8. You have a really special way of making people feel comfortable and genuinely important. With these words, you're recognizing her emotional intelligence and her ability to create meaningful connections with the people around her. You're telling her that her presence creates a positive environment and that people naturally enjoy being around her. It's the kind of recognition many people rarely receive. And that's exactly why it can become so memorable. And there you have it. 8 compliments that go much deeper than the surface. They're not simply attractive-sounding phrases. When they're expressed sincerely and used at the right moment, they can help create a deeper connection, build respect, and allow attraction to develop in a much more natural way. Because when everything is said and done, a woman may forget countless words she's heard throughout her life, but she's much less likely to forget the way you made her feel. If you found value in this video, don't stop learning here. Keep developing yourself, continue improving the way you communicate, and become the kind of man who stands out not because he talks the most, but because he understands how to say the right thing at the right moment. Because making a lasting impression isn't about saying more. It's about knowing what truly matters, and having the awareness to say it when it matters most.